name is Mike, and if you're watching this, you're probably interested in understanding how you can connect the end-to-end customer journey for your water park. You're probably missing some revenue, your ticketing is probably not optimum, and you'd also like to connect what's happening online prior to the visitor arriving in your water park to what's happening in the water park and reconverting them back to a visitor at a later time. So to explain how it works with Oveit, I created a small event and a small venue in Oveit called Splash Paradise, based in Austin, Texas, with prices starting from $75. So when I press buy now, I'm taken to the checkout section. Now, obviously, your venue might have a calendar. It might be placed somewhere in another place. You would set up a calendar just to understand how your capacity is doing at any time. But in our case, for a simple example, I've just set up 2 tickets for your water park. One is the family pack, and the other one is the VIP pack experience. With both of these options, you can see that there's a price, but there's also a small encouragement to buy 2 tickets so you can save $20. If I press the plus sign and add 2 tickets to my cart, I'm actually showed the fact that I am saving, in fact, $20. What is happening in the back end is that we're recording all of the information that the user is doing, and we're sending it back to you. So if they fail to convert this visit on the website to an actual visit in the venue, in your water park, by purchasing a ticket, you can enable the remarketing campaigns so we can bring them back. Another thing that you probably are seeing is this free t-shirt add-on. So what is an add-on? Add-ons are things you can stack on top of your ticket. They can be services, merchandise, goods, additional rides, tokens, and so on and so forth. So to go ahead and explain how it works, I'm just going to buy the VIP pack experience, and I'm going to add 2 tickets to my cart because I'm going to bring a plus one. And in the next step, we're going to see something that is really interesting, which is what we can add on top of the VIP pack experience. So we already have the ticket. We have actually 2 VIP pack experiences. We have the free t-shirt, we have the fast lane access, but we can also add an in-venue VIP dinner experience. And this is a good way for you to upsell your visitors and increase the revenue. So I'm adding this, and we can also see something else that we're going to understand in a later short explanation. Top up. So outside of just enabling your visitors to buy specific perks and benefits within your water park, you can actually allow them to top up a certain amount of money so they can spend within the venue. Because obviously, being a water park, handling cash is a little bit difficult. Carrying your phone around might be a bit tricky. So if you don't enable some sort of cashless, wireless, contactless type of payment within your water park, your revenue is going to go down. So that's why we created what we call Oveit Pay, which you're going to see in a few minutes. And this enables you to actually process payments in your venue and also take top-ups prior to your visitors arriving. So in my case, I'm just going to add $100 to my virtual wallet alongside my 2 VIP pack experiences, my in-venue VIP dinner, and my t-shirts and fast lanes. So once I press continue, I'm taken to the billing information, and at the end, we have the order confirmation. Basically, what I have right here is my order confirmation with my purchases, my free t-shirts, my fast lanes, and this is my permanent page. Given the fact that Oveit also allows you to manage your financial instruments, the visitor also has access to their invoices if they need it, and you can create a sub-account for them where they can control their whole visit electronically without having to take too much of your workload. So now that we have this set up, let's go ahead and see how the ticket gets connected to a wearable such as this one and how we can use it in an actual water park. So we got a ticket to Splash Paradise. We purchased 2 tickets, we topped up some amount of money, we have some amazing perks. Now, how are we going to actually use it in the water park? So to explain this, you can actually see my screen where I've shared a scanning device and where you can see what happens when I try to scan my ticket, right? So here's the ticket. And as you can see, my ticket already has all of the benefits attached. The information that is stored on that my ticket is actually the information that I already have purchased. So you can see that I have the add-ons that are already purchased. I have my VIP pack experience. I have my free t-shirt. I have my fast lane access. I actually have 2 of them. I have my in-venue VIP dinner experience. So basically, what does this mean? The screen that you're seeing right now is basically your tool to scan the perks and benefits that your customers have. So this enables you to wirelessly check the benefits and upsell and afterwards issue the free t-shirts, the fast lane access, the VIP dinner experiences. But given the fact that this is a water park and people are not just going to walk in with their smartphones and show you their electronic ticket, or if it's a printed ticket, they're not going to just, walk around the pool and just show you the QR code. What we've done is we created a system whereby using this kind of wristbands, wearables, things that can withstand water, heat, and basically everything else, you can actually scan all of the information that is stored on that specific ticket. So I have my wristband and I have my device. Once I tap them, my information is stored on the wristband because I connected the ticket and the wearable. So now my customers can actually walk around the pool in the water park. They can claim their benefits. They can claim their free t-shirts, their fast lane access. And if I want them to buy extra perks, so for example, maybe they want to buy an additional in-venue VIP dinner experience, I actually have the option of editing this, sell it at the point of sale, and increase the number of available VIP dinners, right? So the customer already pre-purchased one VIP dinner. Now they arrived at the water park. They're buying 2 more. Maybe they brought their friends, and I'm selling it. I'm saving it. So now when I scan my wristband, I can see that I have 3 VIP dinner experiences. So that's number one. We placed some benefits within our customers' wallet, virtual wallet. But if you remember, they also topped up $100. So where can we see those? Let's go ahead and head over to the Oveit Pay tab. If I scan my wristband, what I see is not only that I have the initial perks, but I also have $100 worth of credit that I can spend in the venue. Now, what can I do with this? I can spend it, I can add more, or if there's something remaining, I can actually withdraw it. So this enables you to create a wide local payment system that is cashless, that is contactless, and that enables your water park visitors to buy without having any secondary thoughts that they might bring their smartphone or they have to carry cash around. What this means in practice is most of our customers report that their sales increase by using contactless payments methods are sometimes more than 30% than that what it used to be. So in a nutshell, this is the basic process, but obviously there's a lot more things that you can do with such systems. And we'd love to explain more of how you can use Oveit within your water park. So if you'd like to know more, just click on the link below and let's set up a one-on-one personalized demo of our product and understand better what you're trying to achieve.